Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 not launching or crashing on PC. We've got several solutions to try, so let's work through them one by one until we find the one that works for you. Let's get started. Solution 1, verify integrity of game files. The first thing we're going to try is verifying the integrity of the game files. This will check if any of Subnautica 2's files are missing or corrupted, and automatically repair them. First, open Steam and head over to your library. Scroll through your games and locate Subnautica 2. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. Now click on the Installed Files tab, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair your game files. This might take a few minutes, so just let it run. Once it's done, try launching the game and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. If verifying the files didn't do the trick, let's try adjusting the game's compatibility settings. Go back to your Steam library, right-click on Subnautica 2, and select Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab, and then click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Inside the folder, find subnautica2.exe, then right-click on it and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, check the box that says Run this program as administrator, and also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Once both boxes are checked, click Apply and then OK. Now try launching Subnautica 2 and see if the problem is fixed. Solution 3. If the game is still crashing, your graphics driver might be outdated. Let's update it through Device Manager. Open your Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. In the Device Manager window, look for Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand it. Right-click on your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows search for and install the latest available driver for your graphics card. Once the update is complete, restart your PC and try launching Subnautica 2 again. Solution 4. Update NVIDIA drivers via the NVIDIA app. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can also update your drivers directly through the NVIDIA app for a more thorough update. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app, then open it. Click on the Drivers tab at the top. Select Check for Updates, and if a new driver is available, go ahead and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Solution 5. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. If none of the previous solutions have worked, the issue might be related to missing or corrupted Visual C++ redistributable files, which many games rely on to run properly. Let's reinstall them. First, open the link you'll find in the description of this video. It will take you to the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the x86 and x64 download options. Start by clicking on vc_redist.x86 to download the 32-bit version first, and then click on vc_redist.x64 to download the 64-bit version as well. Once both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and let's install them one at a time. Double-click on vc_redist.x64 first. Accept the license terms, then press Yes when prompted. Wait for the installation to complete, and once it's done, press Close, but don't restart your PC just yet. Now double-click on vc_redist.x86. Press Yes, accept the terms, and wait for that installation to finish as well. Once both are installed, go ahead and restart your PC to apply all the changes. After your computer restarts, try launching Subnautica 2 again. This should do the trick. And those are all the solutions for fixing Subnautica 2 not launching or crashing on PC. Hopefully one of them worked for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fix tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which solution worked for you, and I'll see you in the next one.